replacing the motherboard in an Acer C722. So you just want to flip the unit over, take out the bottom cover screws, now you can just pop the bottom cover off. Then you want to take the screws out that are holding the motherboard in. Now you just want to disconnect everything, so you can disconnect the battery. And the keyboard ribbon, touchpad ribbon, speakers, USB ribbon, Wi-Fi cables, and LCD cable. And then you just want to lift up the palm rest a little bit to get this hinge up so that you can get the motherboard out. So you can take out the motherboard bracket and then the motherboard. And then you can grab your new motherboard and put it back into place. And then you can put your motherboard bracket back onto place and push the hinge down. And then you can reconnect everything. So you can reconnect the LCD cable, the Wi-Fi cables, reconnect the USB ribbon, the keyboard ribbon, touchpad ribbon, speakers, and the battery. And then you can put the screws back into the motherboard. Now you can clip the bottom cover back on. You can put the screws back in. Now if you want to verify the repair, you can open up the unit hold in the power button. You may need to use an AC adapter. So now if you get to this screen, then that means the replacement was successful. So then you can just shut down the unit.